Hello, Christian Ethics class. This is Professor Opterbeck. Welcome to another week of our class. Thank you for the good discussion last week on questions of war and pacifism and just war. I was glad to see that. I think we had a really good, robust discussion of those issues, including from some of the class members who have some direct experience with military service. So thank you for that discussion. As you see, coming into the next week, we start to talk about wealth, economy, and poverty. These I find also, as all of our subjects, really challenging. I think all of us would agree that questions about wealth are in many ways central to biblical ethics. The command to care for the poor is central to biblical ethics. But then trying to figure out exactly what that means, particularly at the broad level of what kind of economic system ought we to think about, ought we to participate in, what is our role in that system? Obviously, us here taking this class as students at an American school living in the United States, part of a particular kind of an economic system that many of us in some ways have benefited from. So we need to kind of think about carefully how that works out and what that means for us, and that's what we'll try to do this week. So we have kind of the usual rhythm for this week. You'll see a couple of things that I've asked you to read that I posted on my blog recently. As you can tell, I'm really interested in some of these issues. And our usual 2 forums and quiz. I have the assignments that those of you who've submitted to Dropbox. I'll try within the next week to 10 days or so to get those graded and turned around to you, and I look forward to reading those. As we go forward, you'll see that after this week we have another week on wealth, economy, and poverty, and then we start to move into issues relating to sexuality. So I'll see you in the forums, and I hope you have a good week.